welcome to my bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom. Alright, so for my hair, the two products I use, Biodouds, are the Emulsified clay spray, which is discontinued. Hopefully it will return. This is my last bottle of it, so I'm hoping it lasts me forever, because this is honestly the first spray I've ever loved so much. And as you can see in the bottle, it has a little bit of clay, and you basically shake it up. So I also use, which I ran out of right before I decided to do this, I usually use the conditioning cream through the ends of my hair, but I have been using the styling treatment, which is honestly great as well, but I do like the conditioning cream. So yeah, the styling treatment. It's still also very light. And I basically just put it into the ends of my hair. It smells amazing. And then, yeah, I move on to the styling spray, and I basically just put it all throughout my hair. I'm definitely very generous with this stuff because, besides using a texture spray, I find like this doesn't make your hair super sticky, so I honestly have never put too much in my hair. I'm sure you probably can. And then I basically scrunch it. And I'm gonna let it dry and I will come right back. Alright, so I'm just about to head out the door, and the last few products that I will use will be the Dowd's fragrance. The Orchard is my favorite. It's amazing. You gotta get it. I have it in a candle. I have it in deodorant. I use it for everything. It's the best scent that they make. My favorite. And it's like, the sound of Orchard seems like it'll be floral and not like to me it's a very unisex floral scent, and I love it. I also use the Neroli solid perfume in combination with that, just because I like to smell good. And then I also use the deodorant as well, the same scent. This one, I've told this to many people, like this is by far the best natural deodorant I think that you can get. It goes a long way. The container is made out of cardboard, which to me, I was sold on that initially. And yeah, I found a lot of other natural deodorants made me smell more than I normally would. But this one is amazing. Like, this is like a must buy, I would say. Maybe you can cut like this.